Deepseek potentially being in danger. Big news from OpenAI today. They've just launched O3 and O4 Mini, two new language models that are shaking up the AI world. DeepSeek potentially being in danger. First, O3 is the most advanced model when it comes to reasoning. It's setting new records on benchmarks like SWE Bench, where it fixes real-world bugs in open source code. It's also acing MMMLU, answering college-level questions in subjects like science and economics. If you need serious thinking power, O3 is the model you want. But if speed and cost efficiency are your priority, O4 Mini's got you covered. It's not as powerful as O3, but it's fast and affordable, perfect for applications that need quick results without breaking the bank. And here's where O3 gets really cool. It can use external tools like search engines, code editors, and APIs to get things done faster. Whether you need it to execute Python code, search the web, or generate images, O3's got your back. OpenAI is also looking to acquire Windsurf, a company that makes AI programming tools for $3 billion. This could mean even more powerful tools for developers and businesses down the road. But not all AI companies are thriving. DeepSeek, a rival AI startup, is reportedly struggling with financial instability and could face tough times ahead. As big players like OpenAI grow, smaller companies like DeepSeek are feeling the pressure. So, what do you think? Are O3's reasoning abilities game-changing, or is O4 Mini the better choice for speed? And what's going to happen to DeepSeek? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news, and I'll see you in the next video.